Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to learn how you can insert a link inside of your Word document. So when I'm talking about link, this could be a link to a page from your computer, for example, or this could be a link to a internet page. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to insert a link that will link us to an internet page. Once again, this would be a YouTube video that I have created in the past. So this would be our past link. And what we're going to do, we're going to insert a link to a text as well as to a picture. So first of all, you want to have a text that you will write down. So let's say, for example, I have, hello, this is my link test. So here I have a small sentence, hello, this is my link test. I can do it in two ways. So I can have a link that could be my whole sentence, so selecting all this and then adding a link, or I can add a link to just a few words. So pretty much you decide where you want to put your link. Once it's all done, let's say I want to add my link here. What I can do next is simply click on the insert button right here. Then I will click on the link button. And here I will have all the folders that are on my computer. So here I have my current folders, my browsed pages, so all the pages that I have browsed inside of my computer, so all the files, and recent files. So if I want to add a external link in this case, let's say it's a YouTube video, what I can do is just adding my link here and click on the OK button. And as you can see, this became a link. So as you can see here, I have to click on Control, and then I can click on my link to have the video appear. All right. Now, let's say I want to do the same thing with a picture. So first of all, we're gonna go and look for a picture just here. So let's select a picture inside of stock images. So here we have our stock images that are loading. So let's select, let's select those cats. Here we go. So we have cats here. And let's say, for example, I want to add my YouTube link to this cat's picture. So what I can do, I can just go on insert once again. I'm going to click on links. And here I can just click, I can just paste my link. Once again, you can select a link from pretty much all of your computer. If it's an internal link that you want to add, you can do it. Otherwise, if it's just an external link that will bring people to another web page, you do it this way. So once it's done, once again, I click on OK. I unselect my image. And the moment that I bring my mouse here, I'll be able to see this little text that appears. So this means that my link works. So I just click on Control on my keyboard and I can click on this picture and it will bring me to the web page that I have generated. So this is pretty much how you add links inside of your Word document. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.